I just want to show them your pajamas. Get your bag. Oh. Bring it up here.
Okay.
This one. You hold it up, man.
Oh, it's so long.
Oh. What does it say? I'm not perfect, but Jesus thinks I'm to die for. It's so cute, right? And this color green. And it's pretty long.
I like it.
Love it. And we'll see you later. Now Home Depot has a clearance. ZZ Plants. I'm really thinking about taking it.
Take one, I like them.
They're so pretty. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please excuse my rudeness for not creating an intro for this video. I just got so caught up in the moment of excitement to enjoy the outing with my daughter. This has been a weekly routine where we go out and buy a new pajama, and so me not thinking, I just turned on the camera and started recording, and I wanted to bring you guys along into our routine that we've been doing weekly. And the cost for this is because we've just been looking forward to the weekend and relaxing and just taking it, all the things that's been going on in the week, to enjoy the weekend. And we've been extremely avoiding the outdoors because it's been so hot, and most of you guys know that I was a little bit struggling with the AC in my house, but I did get an AC unit, so it's been way much better in here. So anyways, that is why we've been into getting pajamas towards the weekend. And you already seen Adriana's in the car, and we are in love with it. As soon as we've seen it, we have to get it. And then this one is mine, the one that I purchased at Burlington as well. It is a robe, and it comes up to a little past the elbows, which I really love. And it also comes with a tank top, and I love that this has like knitted material here, and it's very stretchable, comfortable. I also have the shorts. Of course, I haven't put them on yet because I wanted to show you guys. I did get it in large just because I wanted the extra movement and just comfortableness. And wearing pajamas, I always buy an extra size up because my pajamas, I don't like tight clothing or anything like that. But anyway, so this is my new pajama, and I'm just going to release everything that's been going on through the week. And I'm just going to turn on my candle, pour me a glass of wine as well, and enjoy watching my favorite show right now, which is Virgin River. If you guys haven't watched it, I highly recommend that you watch it. I don't know what I was getting myself into when I hit play. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but let me tell you, I am loving it. That I am already on season 3, and I cannot believe how much I've already seen, and it's just so good. So I recommend that you watch it. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna go into that and enjoy my show. And I didn't show you, or well, actually Adriana recorded me, but I did get that plant, and I'm so happy and excited that I got that plant. And I can't wait to go back to Home Depot because there's just so many clearance plants now. I didn't know Home Depot was doing that, but they are doing that thing like Lowe's, where they knock down prices on plants that are not selling or not doing too well. And I'm really loving that Home Depot is doing that. So I'm looking forward to going again and see what other clearance plants I can find. So but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I was rambling too much, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Thanks guys. Good night.